Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Affiliate Marketing Explained video, I'd like to show you how affiliate marketing works. I'm going to share with you a step-by-step success system. It's 4 simple steps, but if you're brand new to the affiliate marketing industry, if you want to start to make money online, then this is the system that 90% of affiliate marketers use to become successful. And there'll be a link where you can get started. If you want to join our success team, there will be a link in the description, and you can get started today for just $5. We're going to teach you how to earn a growing passive income. We're also going to teach you how to earn multiple income streams promoting just one link. And if you want some ongoing help, support, and tutoring, I will personally mentor you as a one-to-one student. There will be an income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me, what works for our team, and we've all got an equal opportunity to join these affiliate marketing programs as a member and also promote them as an affiliate. So first of all, let me just show you some proof before we get into the system. I want to show you that the system actually works. So this is called Warrior Plus. This is a marketplace where you can get your products to promote. So I'm live here in my all time in my account. And what you'll see here is the commission column in the right hand side is where I've earned $9,651. And my total sales of products are 19,373. Over here on the left hand side, I've sold 2,135 products. Now, the beauty of this, this is the make money online niche. This is the beauty of this system is these circular arrows here are where you earn monthly recurring commissions. You're earning passive income month after month. So all of these circular arrows you'll see here, this member's been paying for 12 months in a row, 5 months in a row, 7 months in a row. Any gaps are where new members are coming in. So the system works here 5 months in a row. I just want to get to some here that's been paying longer term here. Some of these have been paying for, maybe further down here. Some of these have been paying for over 2 years. So another system is where I teach you how to earn 100% monthly recurring commissions. So it's key to be able to earn anything from 50% to 100%. Now, each of these, this is live in my Gmail account, this system here, this is where 4 100% commissions have come in one day, 3 have come in one day. So we're going to teach you the products that we use that convert into monthly recurring commissions and multiple income streams. So very, very basic, very simple, but even more than one commission, 100% monthly recurring commission. So we're teaching you passive income as well. And that's just ongoing commissions there. Done lots of other videos on my channel about this if you want to go onto my channel. So let's just have a look now. I'm going to just do a little drawing here and explain exactly how affiliate marketing works. So first of all, what you need is you need an offer to promote. That's the first step with affiliate marketing. So just excuse my scroll here because I'm just doing this drawing with my mouse. So the first thing you need is an offer to promote. And we're going to show you the offers that are converting within the make money online niche. If you want to choose a different niche, maybe you want to choose health and wellness, relationships, these are the top niches, then you can just Google affiliate programs, or just have a look within Google at what those niches are. But I do recommend the Make Money Online niche, because 90% of people on the planet are looking to earn extra money or earn more money. So step one, this is step one here. Step one is you need an offer to promote. And I'm using the word promote because these are all the words, and this is all the lingo and technology. This is all the words that we actually use within our industry. Now, what happens there within that offer that you're using? We're going to give you what's called a lead capture page. This is an example over here of a lead capture page. And what a lead capture page is, this is all done for you. You don't have to create anything. It's all completely done for you. So perfect for beginning. Now, a lead capture page is where somebody puts their email into here, and then they become one of your prospects. Now, before they do that, before they put their email into here, what you've got to do is you've got to advertise your offer. Now, the word we use for that in the industry is traffic. So you've got to, this is step two, you've got to drive traffic. Let's put step two here, number two. You've got to drive traffic to your lead capture page. That lead capture page is just one little affiliate link. Now, the traffic over here can be either free, let's put F for free, or it can be paid. We will teach you both. If you're on a limited budget, we'll teach you free traffic. If you're on, if you want cheap traffic, we'll teach you cheap traffic. If you want paid traffic that costs more, we'll teach you that. But step two is going to be driving traffic. Now, this is when the magic starts to happen, because when they put their email address into here, they get taken through a system. This is all a system. And they get taken through a series of emails. They go onto your email list. So they're going to go onto your email list. Let's put L for list. And you're going to build an email list. You're going to build an audience. And this email list here, these emails are completely done and written for you. And then those emails are going to go out on autopilot. You could be asleep. You could be at work. You could be out with your family and friends. That's automated, and that's really key. Now, they have two options. They can just have a little look at what you're promoting, or they may buy. And if they buy, you're going to earn money. That's how you start to earn your affiliate commissions. If they don't buy, then what happens is they go on to the next step. And the next step is where they start to receive your emails on autopilot, your follow-up emails. So on day one, they'll get an email. On day two, they'll get an email. On day three, they'll get an email. And you can put as many emails into there as you want. So they're going to get emails from you. And then what happens is they're going to buy. If you've got an offer that converts, they're going to buy. So you earn commissions. Now, that's step three. Sorry, step three is over here. So that's step four over here. Now, the next step is where you've now got an email list built. This is step five over here. You've got an email list built. You're going to continue to promote, continue to drive traffic, and you're going to have an email list of subscribers that's going to grow. Let's put a plus sign here. This email list can grow into thousands. And this is where the magic really happens, because you've got an email list of thousands. And then once you promote, then what you can do is you can get some more offers here. We'll teach you these offers, and you can promote to your email list here. And then what that does, that means you're going to earn more commissions. Now, these commissions that we're teaching you are recurring commissions. This is passive income. We're also teaching you how to earn multiple income streams with these offers. Multiple income streams. So I don't really want to get any more into the details. This is a really simple system. Let's have a little recap. Step number 1, we're going to give you an offer to promote. I'm going to recommend the Click Engine. It's $5 and you can get started. So for just over $1 a week, it's under $5 at $4.90 per month, you can get started with the Click Engine. Now, if you go over here to my Warrior Plus account, and if I just do here, if I go into more rows, you'll see that the Click Engine is here. So you've got the Click Engine here, and you've got the Click Engine here, Click Engine here, Click Engine here, Click Engine here. So I'm just teaching you what converts into commissions. What converts for me, because this is the traffic offer and everyone needs traffic. So step 1, we give you the offer. Step 2, we'll teach you traffic. I'll teach you free traffic, I'll teach you cheap traffic, and I'll teach you paid traffic, depending what your budget is. And I'll also teach you autopilot traffic. So when you're at work, when you're asleep, when you're in your job, you can start to promote your offer with good quality traffic. Step 3 is your prospect has opted into the lead capture page, and they're going to get an email series. They'll either buy or they're going to get autopilot messages going out. Step 4, you're going to build your email list. Your email list can be built into thousands, and then they might buy here again. So 3 opportunities to buy. They can buy here, they can buy here, and then you're building an email list of thousands to promote more offers. And they can also buy here. So lots of scroll, lots of drawings, a lot of information if you're brand new, but we're teaching you a system, and everything in life is a system. I'm a swim teacher, and I teach children and adults how to swim, and I just follow a system. Hollywood's a system. All right, someone writes a script, someone casts some actors and actresses, they film, they follow the script, they promote, they tour, and they make money, and it goes into a cinema and it goes onto Netflix. So everything's a system. This is a simple 5-step system that we're teaching you. Just follow the system and everything can come into place for you. So if you've enjoyed today's video, I'm nearly out of time. I've only got 30 seconds left, but if you've got any questions, please put those in the comments below. Please give me a like and share. Please click subscribe and the bell icon if you want more videos from me. My email address will be in the description. So if you'd like to contact me direct through email, you'd like some more help with our Mentor You one-to-one, then just use that email address in the description. And if you want to get started today for $5, click the link in the description and you can get started today for under $5. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.